From the vibrant neighborhoods of South Congress to the quiet streets of Westlake Hills, homeowners across Austin, Texas know the importance of keeping their properties looking fresh and well-maintained. One of the easiest and most effective ways to boost curb appeal and protect your home's exterior is through residential pressure washing. If you've never scheduled a pressure washing service before, you might be wondering what to expect. Here's a detailed overview of what happens during a professional pressure washing visit, so you can feel fully prepared and confident in the process. Pre-service consultation or walkthrough. Before the water even starts flowing, a reputable Austin pressure washing company will often start with a brief consultation or walkthrough. This gives the technician a chance to assess the surfaces needing cleaning, siding, driveway, deck, roof, etc. Identify any fragile areas or damage that needs special attention. Discuss cleaning goals and set expectations. They may also ask about water sources, drainage, or areas you'd like to avoid, such as delicate landscaping. This initial step helps personalize the service to your specific home and needs. Setup and surface protection. On the day of your appointment, the crew will arrive with commercial-grade pressure washing equipment and begin setting up. This includes running hoses from your water source or their own tank, preparing the cleaning solutions or detergents if needed, covering sensitive areas, plants, outlets, doors, windows, with protective materials. Technicians take care to protect your property from overspray or damage, especially in homes with painted wood, aged siding, or stucco. Pre-treatment, if needed. For particularly dirty or stained areas, like oil spots on a driveway, mildew on siding, or mold on a deck, the technician may apply a specialized cleaning solution to loosen grime. This pre-treatment sits for several minutes to break down buildup and makes the pressure washing process more effective and efficient. In Austin's warm, humid climate, pre-treatments are especially useful for removing algae, mold, and pollen that build up over time. The pressure washing process. Now the real magic begins. Using high-powered nozzles and precise pressure settings, the technician will methodically clean each designated area. You'll likely see instant results as dirt, mildew, and years of grime are washed away. Common surfaces cleaned include home siding, vinyl, brick, stucco, etc., driveways and walkways, patios, porches, and decks, fences and garage doors, outdoor furniture and pool areas. Professionals are trained to adjust the water pressure depending on the surface, softer settings for wood and siding, and stronger settings for concrete and stone. Rinse and clean up. Once the cleaning is complete, the crew will rinse all treated surfaces thoroughly, ensuring no soap or residue is left behind. They'll also remove any tarps, coverings, or equipment and do a walk-through to ensure everything looks as expected. The goal? To leave your property looking refreshed and spotless, with no trace of mess or damage. Post-service care and recommendation. A great pressure washing company won't just leave after the job is done. They'll also offer helpful tips to maintain your clean surfaces. Depending on the materials around your home, they may recommend scheduling service once or twice a year, applying sealant to driveways or wooden decks, gutter cleaning or roof treatments to prevent mildew growth. Some companies in Austin even offer maintenance packages for regular cleanings at a discounted rate. Final thoughts. A simple way to revive your home's appearance. Whether you're preparing to sell, freshening up for spring, or tackling long overdue maintenance, residential pressure washing in Austin is one of the easiest ways to restore your home's beauty and protect your investment. By working with a professional, you ensure safe, effective cleaning that saves you time and delivers instant results. Expect a courteous team, top-tier equipment, and a noticeable improvement in your home's exterior. So sit back, relax, and let the pros do the dirty work. Your home will thank you for it.